If you guys get anything out of this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Hey guys, Uncle John here. I know I've been a little lax about getting this last video out, but today I just wanted to talk to you real quick. I've gotten a couple comments on some of the videos that are not strictly soap related that, hey, I thought this was a soap channel. What happened? Well, this has never been strictly a soap channel, but I have a feeling that it's partially my fault because in my intro video and some other places around the site, around the channel, I think I've alluded to it being mostly about soap, and that's totally inaccurate and my fault. So here's what we're going to do. We're still going to do our other stuff. We are a YouTube mutt channel. We are going to talk about soap. We're going to talk about small business. We're going to talk about things that tick me off. The difference, and I've been trying to do this a lot lately, is I'm going to put each of those into their respective playlists. Like one playlist is called Don't Be a Jerk. It's a series. And those videos only go in that folder. If it's a crossover, like the people doing the sampling in the store and digging their fingers into stuff and sticking soap up their nose, that kind of stuff, it may hit both. It may hit the soap stuff and the Don't Be a Jerk folder. So kind of bear with us a little bit. We're going to redo our intro video to the channel to, let people know that we're about more than just soap. It's sort of a family channel, DIY, it's soap, different things like that, things that interest me and hopefully most of you. Any suggestions you have, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Also, today, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to be giving away 2 blocks of our black tie soap, bath soap. It's uncut. You can cut it with a kitchen knife. Super fast, super easy, no problem. Each one is over a pound or almost a pound and a half, like 1 pound, 7.5 ounces, something like that. This is, sorry, I can't hold it without smelling it. This is one of our men's fragrances, a very popular one. It's a really pleasant musk scent. And everybody says, ew, musk. Well, most people really like it. If you're interested in that, we're giving both of these away. 2 winners will be drawn randomly. I will do random.org. The only thing you got to do to enter is A, you got to make sure you're subscribed. B, click the bell icon, make sure you get notifications. That's not a necessity, but if you're subscribed, you should get some notifications. Also, shoot us an email at unclejohnsoap@gmail.com. I'll put that down here. And in the subject line, put, I want musk. That easy. M-U-S-K. I want musk. And we'll add them all up. We're going to do the drawing. Let's see. Today is Wednesday. How about we do the drawing Friday afternoon? We will do the drawing. And probably about midday we'll do the drawing. That way I have time to shoot a quick video, announce it, and put it out before the end of the day. So that's basically 2 days. And again, like I said, shoot me an email at unclejohnsoap@gmail.com. Put in the subject line, I want musk, and you're entered. All right, guys, see ya.